Chapter 4, Getting to Know Plants. So many kinds of plants. Gopu, Simmi, and Raj walk to school every day. On the way, they see beautiful flowers, mountains, and streams. One day, Gopu exclaimed, "Isn't nature just amazing? There are so many kinds of plants, birds, and insects. I wonder if they all have stories to tell." Simi agreed. Yes, the plants come in so many sizes and shapes. Very tiny, small, large, bushy. Raj added, thin and curvy, straight and tall. Gopu said, some leaves are rough and some smooth. I love to touch and smell them. Simi said, look, this jamun tree has nice thick and shiny leaves. Isn't it your special tree? Raj? Raj agreed. Yes, it is. You remember its tiny white flowers and remember the little green fruits which in a few days turned red and then purple. We enjoyed plucking the ripe purple fruits from the tree. Simmi smiled. It's such fun to walk under the cool shade of these trees. Trees have a big trunk of wood and many branches that spread out with leaves on them. Trees have roots that go deep down into the soil. Trees, mango tree, coconut tree, khejri tree, jackfruit tree, banyan tree, amalthus tree, peepal tree, and chinar tree. Shrubs. All plants don't grow tall like trees. Look at this plant with pretty red flowers. It doesn't have a big trunk like a tree, said Gopu. Instead, it has many brown woody stems, said Raj. These bushy looking plants are called shrubs. Our tulsi plant at home is a shrub, informed Simmi. Shrubs are medium sized plants with several woody stems and branches growing close to the ground. Hibiscus, rose, holy basil tulsi, and curry leaf are some shrubs. Do you know the pulses dal we eat? Tur, that is pigeon peas, masoor, that is red lentils, mung, that is green gram, and urad, that is black gram, are all seeds of shrubs. Herbs and grasses. We have mint and tomato plants at home. Their stems are soft and green, said Raj. My grandmother told me that plants with tender stem that do not become woody are called herbs, added Gopu. Simi pointed to the grass. Look at all these different grasses. They too have soft green stems. Their leaves are long, thin, and flat. You are right, Simi. Do you think grasses are types of herbs too? Inquired Gopu. Herbs are smaller plants with soft stems that do not become woody. Grasses are type of herbs. The leaves of grasses are thin and flat and their stems are hollow. Watch for different kinds of grasses around you. How many kinds do you notice? Herbs, mint, tomato, coriander, and mustard. Grasses, wild grasses. Do you know the grains you eat, paddy, that is rice, wheat, bajra, jawar, ragi, etc., are seeds of large grasses. Sugarcane and bamboo are tall grasses. Bamboo is a special kind of grass which stays alive longer than just a year. Climbers and creepers. Look, there is a vine winding up this tall tree, exclaimed Raj. Gopu agreed. Wow, yes, my friend George has a money plant in his house. I was surprised to see how it spreads upwards. It looks like it is slowly climbing the wall. Simi explained that the money plant has a long and thin stem. It cannot stand up by itself. If it finds nothing to climb on, It just creeps and spreads on the ground. The pumpkin plant is also like a creeper too. I saw it spreading its branches on the ground, said Raj. Climbers and creepers have thin and flexible stems. The plants that grow by climbing on other plants for support are climbers, and the plants that grow by creeping along the ground are creepers. Some climbers even take their food from the plant on which they climb. Some examples of climbers are money plant, jasmine, bottle gourd. Some creepers are watermelon and pumpkin. Leaves smell different from each other. I have noticed that tulsi, coriander, curry leaves, mint, and lemongrass all have wonderfully different smells, Raj told Simi. Simi told Raj, have you ever rubbed a mango leaf and smelled it? I love the smell. Raj added, this conversation reminds me of the lovely smell of mangoes. My brother is not able to see, but he can immediately smell any fruits nearby, like mango, pineapple, jackfruit, guava, or jamun. Parts of a plant. While learning about plants, we use the names of many parts of plants, like roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Let us now look at a picture of a tomato plant and carefully observe the different parts: stem, roots, flower, leaf, fruit, seed. Get to know bugs. Bark is the hard outer covering of a tree trunk. Touch and look carefully at the bark of a tree. Do you see any animals, insect, or plants on it? Press a sheet of paper on the bark. Gently move a crayon or a pencil repeatedly on it. See what you have. Did you know? Sugarcane is produced from the sugarcane stem. Bamboo is the tallest grass. Rafflesia, seen in Mizoram, is the biggest flower and is as big as an umbrella.